Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Today we're going to draw a flower with a pankti, and the pankti is Ale Makarand Charan Kamal Seo Mano Pere Pere Rija Raha, which means just like a bumblebee that goes to retrieve honey from the flower, in that way Gursevaks go to Guru Sahib's Charan Kamal, their lotus feet, to get Amrit Ras. With a pencil, then you're going to circle back to the middle. Middle part of the flower. You're going to make it a little bit bumpy looking, like that. Now make the stem. Okay, so this is what we got so far.
Pro tip.
We advise you to write the pankti with pencil first before you trace it with a Sharpie or a marker. We're going to trace the Bani pankti now. If this is too long of a line or too hard to write, you can write anything else like Waheguru or anything. So here are some Satkar tips. Do not put this in any dirty areas or on the ground or close to your feet. And if it ever gets ruined or you are having a hard time taking care of it, give it to your local Gurdwara so they can agan paint it. It's time to color! Ta-da! This is the results of the flowers that we were making. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
To learn more, please visit
Gursevak.com